Hi, welcome to PYT. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a user account from Microsoft 365 Admin Center. This video will be helpful for IT help desk and administrators as they will be working on the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So guys, this is the home page of Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And if a new employee joins the organization, then HR team will raise a request to the IT help desk for the account creation of that employee. So now let's see how we can create a account for the new joiner from Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So first, let me go to the navigation menu, and from here we need to go to the users, and under users you need to select the active users. So from here you can create an account. So let me click on the add a user, and now you need to give all the basic information. So first name, let me give the first name as Aparna and the last name as Kamala. So now display name, it is automatically taken the display name. Now let me give the email ID. So let me give it as like Aparna dot Kamala at the rate pytcourses on Microsoft.com. Okay, so if you want to create a password, you can uncheck this, but let me select the box. Okay, let the password be auto created, and based upon the organization policies you can check box this, like require this user to change their password when they first sign in. So when this user going to log in for the first time, they need to update the password. And the other option is like send password in email upon completion. So once the account has been completed successfully, once we are at the finish stage, then the email will be sent to this user with all the account details. So let me uncheck this, it is not required. So let me click on next now, and here we are going to assign the licenses to this user. So let me select the location. As the user is from India, let me select the location as India, and here you are going to give the licenses based upon the requirement. So for this particular user, what all the licenses are required for the work, you can provide those licenses. So here let me give the Microsoft 365 business standard. So under this Microsoft 365 business standard, user can access all these 30 applications. So if you want to uncheck any one of these, you can uncheck it. So user will not be given access to this particular license. So now let me click on next. So what all the things we have done till now? First, we have given the basic information like the user first name, last name, and the email ID. Then we have provided the license to that particular user. Now, now the roles. So what all the roles that user can have? So here you can see that no admin center access, and if you want to give any admin center access, then you need to select this, and what is the admin access you want to give, whether it may be for the exchange administrator or global reader or help desk. Based upon the user requirement you can select this. But here I'm not going to give any admin access, I'm not going to give any admin access to this user. So let me select it as like user, no admin center access. And for example, if the user is going to work as an administrator, or if not, if the user is going to work under a help desk, then you can give the help desk administrator role. Then user would be able to make changes. Okay, so let me uncheck this and let me give no admin center access. Now you can see like show all by category. So based upon this admin center access, if you select any one of these, then based upon this you can give the roles for this collaboration. So as of now the user does not require any admin access. Okay, so let me scroll down. Okay, now let me go into the profile info. So now we need to update the job title. So let me give the job title as senior cloud engineer and department. So the this new hire is going to work under the infra department and office. So she is going to work in India office. And the office number, you can give the office number, fax number. Let me give the mobile number. Okay, so now the street address. Let me give it as like Maran Drive, city as Mumbai. So the province, you can select the province, state or province. Let me give it as like Maharashtra. Okay, the zip code. Let me give it as like, okay. You can select the country or region. Let me select India. So now we are giving the basic information, I mean the profile information. So user is going to work as a senior cloud engineer in the infra department. For the office location is in India, and this is the user personal number. So this is the user address. Let me click on the next. See, now you can review the details what all has been filled till now. Okay, the display and username, the display name will be Aparna Kammala, and the user email id will be aparna.kammala, and the password we have selected like auto generate. And what are the license we have given? We have given the Microsoft 365 business standard license. And we have not given any user roles, so no admin center access has been given to this user. What is the profile of the user? Job title senior cloud engineer, and in the infra department we have given the user details. So let me click on finish adding, and now the user account will be created. See, now the new hire account has been created successfully. Aparna Kamala will now appear in your list of active users. Okay, so this is the auto password generated. So now you need to share these details with the user, or if not, you need to share these details with the line manager based upon the organization policies. In most of the organizations, the new hire details must be shared with the line manager, and the line manager will be sharing the details to the new hire. Okay, so the password, as we have selected auto generate, so when the user login for the first time, user need to update the password. So she will be getting an option like update the password, then user can update the password whatever she want to. Okay, you can ignore this template part. We are going to discuss about the template in other video. Okay, so now let me click on close. See, now you can see the user account Aparna Kamala. So this is how we can create an account from the Microsoft 365 admin center, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos please do subscribe our channel PYT.